the end game. Whole bunch over here. Whoa! You guys get to see what happens when you go all the way to the end of mountains back to the OG map and turn your Wi-Fi off. I'm surprised I'm even recording right now without Wi-Fi. OG red flashlight. Gives credit to everybody that helped make the game. Yeah, why my code is different than what I usually wear. It's because I made well, not necessarily, it's my first move that I hosted. I'm just a little nervous. And my company is not a ton of people. It's beautiful. Trust me, I did not think please don't make me fall through. There's the end of the road. I'm gonna make sure I get all of these really coins. Hey! It's a little sad. Not enough to where I could cry though. Oh yeah, I missed a ton up there. Yeah, I'll get that next time. I swear if I fall, I'm actually gonna be really mad. But like half the stuff just went away. Bruh, you gotta be joking. Really? The Galaxy yacht. Anyways. Ugh. No! One back. Oh, this one's gonna be a little tricky. No, it's not. It's the end of the road. Yeah, I still have that in my inventory. Saved it for months from the present. Jump! Oh, I'm gonna miss. No, I'm not. Dev zone, do not touch. Sorry. they are.